This is the second part in the series of how to use video to get more sales and leads for your business. If you haven't checked out the first video in this series, make sure to go and check that video out because we did go through how to bring awareness to your brand at the top of your funnel. Now in today's video, we're going to be looking at how to push customers from the middle of the funnel right the way through to the bottom of the funnel to turn them into buyers. This is Elliot with InVideo and let's get straight into it. So now we can go and create a video ad where we outline a problem that your potential customer may be facing and show how your service or product can actually go and give them the solution to that problem. So I've just gone and typed in cooking class in here and I'm just going to go and hit enter to go and find a template. So I'm just going to go and use this template over here, weekly cooking lessons, and go and hit use this template over here. So now that the template has loaded, you can go and see from this template, it is going and showing the customer what we are offering, but it hasn't actually posed the problem. So I'm going to go and create another scene where we can actually just go and pose a problem, and then we can go and offer this cooking class as the solution. So what you can go and do is over here, you can just go and hit duplicate scene. So then you've got two scenes and you can just go and change the captions. So I'm just going to go and hit yes over here. So now with this scene that I've duplicated, I have just gone and changed the caption over here to always wanted to learn amazing Spanish recipes. So I'm asking them a question that sort of implies their problem, that they've never been able to find a good place to find Spanish recipes. So then if we just carry on playing this over here, and you can go and see that as we come into the second one over here, it just says now you can Spanish cooking lessons, and we're saying every Sunday book your slot now. So that is the video ad portion in the middle of your funnel. They've already been introduced to your brand and you've given them some good content with a Spanish recipe as part of your snackable video, and now with the video ad you are just going and posing the problem and offering the solution. Now when it comes to creating the video ad, I don't recommend that any of the scenes be longer than 5 seconds long because you want to constantly keep the potential customer's attention, and just make sure that you are changing the footage for each of those scenes so that it is constantly fresh and you are constantly capturing the potential customer's attention. Now depending on the type of benefits that you want to demonstrate for your product or service, your video ad can be slightly longer than the one I have here, so maybe up to around 45 seconds at a max, but somewhere between sort of 20 to 30 seconds is a good amount of time to have your video ad. So once again, once you have created your video ad, all you need to do is click on download and share, and then all you need to do is just go and click on export. So now that you've created your video ad offering your product or service, you are ready to start running ads to this once again. So if you just come back into your Facebook Ads Manager, what you can do is you can go and click on Business Tools over here and then click on Audiences. Once you are in the audiences, you can go and create an audience based off of the people that viewed your snackable content. So the people that viewed a large portion of your snackable content will more than likely have an interest in your product or service. So you can come over here and click on Create Audience. You can go to Custom Audience. You can go to Facebook Sources and choose a video. Then you can go and click Next. Then over here, you can go in where it says Choose Content Type. You can go and say people who've watched at least 50% of your video. So if they watched half of your video, like I said, more than likely they might be interested in your product or service. And you can go and test this out with different audiences. So you can go and create one audience for 50% of the video, one audience for 75% of the video, and one audience for 95% of the video, and then go and test these out to see which audience performs the best. So once you just go and choose this, let's just go and choose 50%. And then over here, it's going to say choose videos. So click on choose videos and then go and find your snackable content video where you have been running those ads. So I'm just going to go and choose this one for argument's sake. But like I said, you obviously want to go and choose the video that you have been running your snackable content for. So then just go and click confirm. Then you can go and just go for the days. So within, let's say, the last 10 days, people that have viewed the 50% of your video, then you can just go and choose an audience name. So we can go and call this snackable content views 50%. And then all you want to do is go and click on create audience. So once you have created that audience, you can go back to your ads manager over here, and then under your campaigns you're going to go to ad set and you're going to go and create a new ad set, and then you're going to start running the video ad that we just created to this audience. So over here what we can go and do is click on create, and then we're going to go and create a new ad set within this campaign. So you can see we've got the campaign over here, the Spanish cooking lessons. Then we're going to go and create the ad set. So you can go and name this ad set once again. So I've just gone and named this ad set custom audience snackable 50% because that's the audience that we're going to use. So then we're just going to go and hit continue. Now once again you can go and choose your daily budget. So just go and think about a budget that is suitable for the amount that you're willing to go and spend. And then if we just go and scroll down over here, you can go and see that we have custom audiences. So if we just go and click on this, you can go and click on custom audience, and then you can go and choose that custom audience that you just created. So the 50% video views or the 75% video views of your snackable content. So once you have gone and chosen that custom audience, then you can come over to where it says new ad again, and we can just go and upload the second video that we just created. So when you're naming your ads, you can just go and name them based off of your creative. So I've just gone and called this one Spanish Lessons Creative 1. So that's that first creative that we just created. But if you create more than one video, then you can just go and name your second one Spanish Creative 2, Spanish Creative 3, and so on. So now that we have gone and done that, we are just going to go and hit add video once again, and then you can just go and hit upload video, and then you can just go and upload that video that we just went and downloaded. So I'm just going to go and upload that video again. So once the video has uploaded, you can go and add your primary text again. So over here I've just said check out our online Spanish cooking lessons. If you loved our clam chowder recipe, you'll love our online lessons. So basically we're referring back to the snackable content that they've already viewed, and now we're saying if you like that, then you should go and check out our online lessons as well. So over here you can just see for the call to action, I've just gone and put sign up now, whereas originally we had learn more. So we're transitioning them from learn more to sign up, so actually asking them to go and sign up now. So we just go and play this one over here now. And you can go and see that we have that video ad that we created, and it's just going prompting them to actually go and sign up for the online classes. So we have gone and taken them through to the middle of the funnel now. So we started off with our snackable content, which was the top of the funnel, and now we are into the middle of the funnel where we're actually offering them our product or service. So now we just need to bring them to the bottom of the funnel so they can go and complete the purchase, and we can do this by making them an offer or giving them some sort of discount or sale. So let's go and make the final video, which is going to be the offer video, which will be the bottom of your sales funnel. So what you can actually do for this video is you can just go and use your previous template, and you can just go and tweak it a bit to go and make your offer to your potential customers. So if we just go over to projects over here within InVideo, you can go and find your last project that we just created for the video ad, and you can go and hit edit version over here. Now what you can go and do with this template is you can just go and change the background of your scenes just so it looks a little bit fresh to the audience that is going to view it. So I'm just going to go and change this once again to 5 seconds, and then what you can do is you can go and change your caption to go and make your offer, your discount, or your sale. So over here you can see I've just changed the caption to don't miss your last chance to get 50% off our online Spanish cooking lessons. So that way we're adding scarcity to our final offer for our customers that are going to see this. Now once again for the second scene, I've just used InVideo's stock footage library to go and replace this. I'm going to go and change this down to 5 seconds again, and for the second scene I have just gone and changed the caption again just to say get 50% off today, and then over here we are just saying book your slot now with a call to action. So with these offer ads you can just go and keep them simple. You're just reiterating your message from the previous video ad, but you are going and offering a discount, a sale, or a coupon. So once again we are just going to go hit download and share, and then we can just go and hit export. So now we've gone and created that offer ad for the bottom of our funnel. We want to go and run these ads within Facebook again. So what you can do is you can go to business tools, go to audiences again, and this time you can go and create an audience based off of people that have gone and initiated checkout or added to cart or just viewed a page on your site. So those are the audience that would have come over to your site when they're in the middle of the funnel after seeing your video ad. So what you can do is you can go and create audience, you can go to custom audience, and this time instead of choosing video, you're going to go and choose website. So go and choose website over here, go and click next, and then what you can go and do is if you have installed a pixel on your site, you can go and choose your pixel over here, and then where it says events, you can go and create a custom audience based off of any event that was triggered from your pixel. So you could go for initiate checkout, or you could go for add to cart, or you could simply just go for a page view like this. So you can go and pick any of these events, and then you're going to go and run these retargeting campaigns with your offer video. So once again you can go and choose within how many days that they actually went and triggered any of these events. So you could go and say in the last 10 days, and then once again you're just going to go and name your audience. So now once again you can go and and choose your original campaign, and you can go and create a new ad set. So you can go and click on create new ad set over here, and then over here we can just go and name this ad set. So over here you can see I've just called this ad set custom audience add to cart. So then we can go and click on continue. Once again, you can go and choose your daily budget. So by now you should be able to see from your previous ad sets that you were running what sort of daily budget that you can go and spend. And then if we go and scroll down over here, we have custom audiences once again. So you can go and click on this, you can go and choose custom audience over here, and then you can go and choose that custom audience that you created based off of your pixel event, such as add to cart, page view, or initiate checkout. So you can go and choose that, and then what this ad set will actually do is it will go and run this offer video to all of the people that have initiated your checkout or added to your cart or viewed a page on your website. So they're in the bottom of the funnel now. They've already been aware of your brand with your snackable content. They've already been made aware of the solution that you're offering them through your product or service. And now finally they're just at the bottom of the funnel and they just need to be pushed to finally make that purchase. So once you've selected your custom audience, you can just come over to new ad over here and you can just go and name your ad. So I'm just going to go and name this ad 50% off offer. And then once again, we can just go and upload the video. So we just go to add video, we'll just go to upload. We'll go and upload the video that we just downloaded. And once your video has finished uploading, you just need to go and add your final caption. So over here I've just put, don't miss out, this is your last chance to get 50% off our Spanish cooking lessons, and then we just got the emojis. So this is just taking them through the final step of the funnel, so we can just go and push them to make that final purchase. If you have enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to check out our other video on how to create high converting video ads for dropshipping and e-commerce products. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more video creation content and give the video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in that next video.